Hey guys, this is the 30th video in this tutorial series on structured query language. In this video I will be dealing with SQL views. Now views are nothing but the alternative versions of portraying the tables as per the user's choice. Okay, now views are nothing less than the original table, because you can modify the views and that modification will be seen also in the original table. Okay, like if you modify the original table, you can see the effect of that modification in your view, and vice versa. That is, if you modify the view, you can see its effect in the original table also. So let's see how we can create such views. Now the syntax for such views is create view, then the name for that view, as, then select column name from table name, where condition. Okay, so let's use this create view statement in the SQL command line. So this was the employee table. I had just made a small modification. I had added a column here. So let's create a view of this employee table. So create view, then name of the view, let it be emp view, then as, then select. I want to see the columns name and sex in the view. Okay, so name and from employee. Okay, and now the where clause. The where clause here is optional. You can either use it, or if you wish, you need not use it. Okay, so let me use it. So where name is not null. Okay, so my view has been created. Now let's check it out. So select star from emp view. See, my emp view has been created. Okay, now I will show you how you can update or modify the view, and that modification will be reflected in your original table also. So update, then table name is emp view, then set, then column is name equal to. Now I will change the second name from Vivek to Chris. Okay, now where sex equal to M. Okay, now here I have given set name equal to Chris where sex equals to M. Now you can see one thing, there are many records where the sex is M, so it will change all the names for those records which have their values in the sex column as M. Okay, okay, I had made a small mistake. I had not kept the M character in inverted commas, so that is a big mistake. Okay, so there were 12 records and 2 have F as their values in the sex column, so rest 10 values have been changed. So let's see. So select star from emp view. Okay, see the names of the male employees have been changed to Chris. Now let's check the same in the original table. Select star from employee. See, in the original table also the names have been changed. So this is the advantage of creating views. Now you can delete the view that you have created. For that, the syntax is drop view and then emp view or the view name. This will delete your view. Okay, so let's check it out. Drop view emp view. So it has been deleted. Let's see whether it has been deleted or not. Select star from emp view. See, doesn't table sample9.emp view doesn't exist. That means our view has been deleted. Okay, so this was all for this video, guys. Thank you. Stay tuned to my channel for my next video. Thank you.